guys, having periods is like having psychedelic trip. It is not okay to expect yourself function normally, or to expect any women to function normally. I know this world is like so disconnected the way it has been designed, but we gotta change that, guys. All women should be able to have proper rest, and they should be able to prioritize their days, weeks according to their cycle. Men represents the physical world, physical and material things, but women represents the energetic, spiritual world. And if women are always in rushing, in panic, in anxiety, in survival, the energy of the planet is gonna be like, that panicky, anxious, and of survival. And that does not mean that women are not meant to participate in the material world. I think when women is aligned, oh my god, the kind of ideas and visions that she can give birth to, it's pure magic. I want to remind you that the God is so powerful, higher power, any name you call it, it is so powerful, and it is powerful enough to bless you with the life wherein you are able to prioritize your peace, and you can choose to do that which is in the highest good of you, in the highest health of you. And I'm reminding you, just in case your fears are overpowering, like how can I live that kind of life wherein I can, like today, the best thing I could do is just shower and wear something pink, because that's what I want to do, and rest, and sleeping for 10 hours, 12 hours, 14 hours, as much as my body wants to. And our earlier rest was like, no, it was a big no for me. I just saw women in survival in my family, so much survival I can't even tell you. And I just pray that God brings us out of this survival. Yeah, so today I could do that, but I never thought I could. But God blessed me with this, so God is capable of blessing. Like, this can be, of course I get afraid that, like, what if it's just this month, and then next month I'm in panic and all of that. But God is powerful than that. God is much kinder, much generous than that. And I'm just sharing with you the possibility, what is possible for us, and we must pray for it, we must manifest it. I have my magic paintings, link is in the bio, one-on-one session, and my course, everything